One of the biggest plot holes in Acceleracers is the Metro Realm, and today I took it upon myself to solve it. Just to refresh your memory, this happens in the Metro Realm. Now why is this a problem and why is this a plot hole? Well, it's a problem because in two earlier scenes we see that Kurt is already in front of Taro. The first one is when they pass the underpass where Kurt is literally in front of Taro, and the second one is only a few seconds ahead when the same drones pass Kurt and Taro in succession. And then we later see that Kurt is the first to finish in the Acceleracers. I say this not only because Tesla immediately goes down to grab a potential Acceleracharger after Kurt exits, but because there were only 3 other cars left. Chicane, Hollowback and Riveted, since Spinebuster and Synchro got destroyed. Just after we see another car enter the Acceleracers, which can only be Taro, as the other 2 cars we see enter after are Chicane and Hollowback. Anyway, it's obvious that the Sciencers won the Metro Realm Acceleracharger, as we see during the Ultimate race they have the Metro Realm Acceleracharger, but because we see that the Sciencer that passed Taro, we know it's Sciencer because of the transformation noises, exit the portal, making the symbol disappear. Anytime the first driver exits the portal, the sign disappears and they get the Acceleracharger, plus Kurt didn't get the Acceleracharger. So the question is, how the hell did the Sciencer get in front of Kurt when Kurt was in front of Taro and the Sciencer was behind Taro? Well, my first theory was that there was a third Sciencer. I thought this because although the Sciencers almost always travel in groups, they drive solo when they know there's an opportunity, as we can clearly see it happening in the Junkyard Realm and the Pipeline Realm. Basically, what I was thinking is that there was a third Sciencer way ahead of everyone and disguised as Kurt to win, while the other Sciencer disguised as Kurt to stop Taro. Further evidence of the third Sciencer is when there's a solo Sciencer on the Hyperpod, but the thing that debunks this is that there are only 2 Sciencers as seen in the ending, a drone Sciencer and a Kurt Sciencer, which meant that the one Sciencer turned into a drone car, then disappeared, then the other Sciencer revealed itself as Kurt. The next theory I come up with is that there are multiple exit portals, which I clearly realized is not the case, since in every instance of the realms being shown, there is only one exit portal and one exit portal only. Every single track has multiple paths, but one end portal, which leads to my next theory. If we take a look at this scene, we see an underpass followed by a long empty stretch which leads to the end of the realm, which is another platform city, different from the one they arrived on. This is supported when Kurt sees the end of the realm, and later when they're close to the portal, the buildings reappear. That is the second city. So what? Well, when Karma takes on the sweeper, we see her presumably going through the same underpass and same stretch of road that Kurt and Taro took previously. And later in the chase we actually see the end of the portal where the second city is. And then what happens? The track splits right in the middle, which allows Karma to destroy the sweeper. Therefore, what I think actually happened is that Kurt was indeed in front of Taro but took a different, longer path. Then one Sciencer turned into a drone, hit Taro's car, then the second Sciencer turned into Kurt and passed Taro, exiting the portal before Kurt since they took the shorter route. Then Kurt, since he took the longer route, exited the portal just after, then Taro did. This explains why the 2 Sciencers were both a drone and a copy of Kurt, while also having Kurt finish before Taro but after the Sciencers. But then again, the animation errors and timing of everything just makes my theories invalid in this case. Anyway, that's the video, thanks for watching.